Yes people, welcome to our exclusive unboxing of the Yeezy Boost 380 Blue O. We've got the unboxings back. It's not just me sitting here talking about shoes, you can actually see them this time. Shall we start with this one though, because this is the Blue O, also known as the Blue Poo in the Sole Supplier office, because this shoe is absolutely poo. Let's be honest, it's terrible. Come with a fully brown upper on the prime knit. This is contrasted by a blue hit right here. Unnecessary if you ask me. Looks like you've had a poo and then this is the last bit of water left in the toilet. But the 380 itself, it's quite a nice silhouette. I know a lot of people in the office have it. I mean, the Mist was a banger, the Alien was a banger, the Blue O not so much. The upcoming Onyx, if you haven't watched the video already, hit up here, my guy. But this shoe is not a banger. So as I said, prime knit across the upper. This is actually quite tight, and I tried these on earlier, and this sock liner right here, nearly impossible to get my wham old foot in it. But I have to admit, they're very, very comfortable. If you did want to buy a pair, I would probably say go true to size, maybe even half a size up. I know I said in the Onyx video, maybe a full size, but I think that's a bit overkill. Half a size will do you perfectly, and they are exceptionally comfortable because as you can see, we have full boost underfoot, and then this translucent midsole is all full of boost as well. So as you can imagine, bouncing around on these all day, you'll be absolutely fine. If you did want to cop a pair of these, they will be launching on July the 25th and retail at £180. So they're pretty expensive for a shoe, but the technology's worth it, the colorway's not. So maybe wait for the Onyx that release in November and other colorways of the 380, because this is definitely the worst one yet. But as per usual, if you are buying them, don't resell them, even though I don't think there'll be any money in them. So it's a pretty pointless copy if you're asking me to resale. As per usual, I will leave a link down in the description with a full list of stockits and raffles, so then you can enter and try and win these hideous sneakers. I've been Chris from the Sole Supplier. This has been the Yeezy Blue O. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm sure you'll be like, oh Chris, why are you saying they're horrible? Because let's be honest, they're not just designed for you, they're designed for everyone. I don't care. It's my opinion, and they're terrible. Make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button after I've just cussed you. See ya!